Hi, in this video we're going to look at how to write down a function equation, and in this case we're going to look at the example here, which is root of 2x minus 2. Now when you're writing down a function equation, you're basically writing down the actual equation itself, but you also have to indicate which values are not allowed in the function. There are two things you have to look for. The first is division by 0, and the second is square root of a negative number. Now there's no denominator in this particular expression here, so we aren't checking for that particular one, but there is a square root, so we need to see what would make the interior of this bracket negative. What values of x would make this negative? Now obviously if x was 1, we'd have 2x giving 1, take away 2 which would give 0. Let's imagine that x was 2. 2 times 2 is 4, minus 2 gives 2. So that's a positive number. However, if we go below 1, if we take, say, x equal to 0, 2 times 0 is 0, take away 2 is negative 2. So we'll be taking a square root of the negative value there, which we're not allowed to do. You can't do that. Try it in your calculator and you'll see you get an error. Now, this is indicating to us that the value that we're looking for here is 1. Now we'll take a look at the actual function expression itself, and here it is. You'll see that we can write it down as f of x equals the square root of 2x minus 2, so long as x is greater than or equal to 1. Any value less than 1 will give us a number in here which is negative, which we can't take the square root of. Let's have a look at the graph for that. This is what it looks like. You can see it starts at 1 and curves up. You'll notice that we don't have any values less than 1, because if we take a value less than 1, let's say we took 0.5, 2 times 0.5 is 1, 1 minus 2 equals minus 1, so we get the square root of a negative number, which you can't have. So this graph only starts at 1 and continues off up towards positive infinity. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for listening.